Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another quick hair review for you guys. This video is sponsored by Beautyforever hair. I'm really starting to love the headband wigs, so I have another review on that for you guys from Beautyforever hair. I'm trying to hold everything together, but this is everything that comes inside of the box. Got a wig cap, some a headband, and some extra headbands right here on the side. So this is the Beautyforever headband wig. It's water wave and it's 200% density, and I believe it's about 26 inches. I'm not sure. I will leave every detail down below if you guys are interested. And here's the front. It has the black band attached, and this is the inside with all the combs. 3 combs on top, 1 comb at the bottom, adjustable straps, just the usual. So to get started, you guys, I am just going to sleek down my hair, and if you hear any noise in the background, I know y'all hear this. Right when I'm ready to film, there's people doing the yard. No. Okay, you guys, so because of all the noise, I'm going to finish off this video with a voiceover. I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair down the middle, and I'm going to sleek my hair down using the Eco Style Argan Oil Gel and sleek my hair into a tight bun. So I already applied the wig and it just looks so good. It looks so natural. And now I'm just going to slide all of the combs in and adjust it, make sure it's fitting right. So there are 2 pieces at the bottom of the headband, so if you need to adjust anything or make anything tighter, you can do so. So I'm going to go ahead and stick this together. And I just ran my fingers through the hair, and I'm just going to comb it out a little bit. So I wanted to show you guys more of the hair and where it stops. It does stop in the middle of my back. I believe it's 24 inches or 26. I'm going to leave the exact measurements and all the details of this hair down below if you guys are interested. So now I'm going to take the same gel to ladies' edges. Y'all know how I love me some laid edges. So after I did my edges, you guys, I am going to try on another headband for y'all. My daughter actually chose this one for me, so she wanted me to wear the pink one. So it's like a velvet, pretty pink headband. So it also comes with several headbands for you to choose. I just chose to try on the pink one. Comes with the blue one and an orange one and many more options that you can choose from. So I hope you guys did enjoy this quick tutorial. I hope you guys try out this wig. I really love a headband wig. So all the details on this hair will be down below if you are interested. I love you guys so much and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video.